Welcome back to Positive Energy. My name is PJ Zonzius, and today we're going to be talking to Bryan Batson of Southern Company Gas. We'll be discussing sustainability and the future of the natural gas industry. Let's go over to that conversation now. When you think about the future of what the energy industry looks like, what are you excited about?
I'm excited about our customers and our fuel. Natural gas has been the foundation upon which the U.S. has lowered its carbon emissions by 61%. Now that's on the electric generation side. But we, the company, continue to focus on the sustainability of our systems. We've replaced pipe to be sure we have new pipe, solid systems in place. Because economic development is strong and America is strong. And the price of natural gas has never been lower. And I know as a marketer, y'all are out selling the product. We're delivering the product, but you just can't beat how cheap natural gas is right now. And that comes from innovation. And we're focused on innovation as a company, just learning what are the new things, what is coming around the corner, and what can be good for natural gas, something like renewable natural gas.
When we talk about how things are speeding up in that space, I see a lot of movement, both from driven by the customer demand, but also from some of the financial corporate responsibility goals, the ESG goals that are out there. What is Southern Company or what is Atlanta Gas like? What are you guys doing from an investment standpoint? You're thinking about the future in that sustainability space.
Well, in the sustainability world, of course, Southern has a strong position, and they have a net zero program, and we're part of that. So we're a natural gas piece of that whole company. Obviously, really, if you look at the natural gas component within the distribution systems, which we are for Southern Company Gas, we're a very small piece of the net zero program, but an important piece, because we have the ability to deliver the product into the homes. And if you look at a home that uses electricity and natural gas, compare that cost to a home that is electric only, we're about $800 a year cheaper. And that's a huge impact on all of our customers. And so in a time when there's financial hardship and financial stress, and I think the marketers and the gas company and so many people are working hard to help people in this time, having a cheap energy solution is so important. Natural gas is abundant and it's affordable. It's clean. It's a carbon fuel, but it's the cleanest we've got there. And it will be here for a long time to make sure we can use other renewables and other things. So it's a huge foundational fuel for just the sustainability world.
I've been really interested about renewable natural gas. That to me isn't just carbon, just doesn't offset carbon. It's got the potential to be carbon negative. What are you guys doing in that space?
We have a whole team that we've devoted to that. And we're in a lot of studies and contracts and working with the folks on where's the best place to build an RNG plant and where can you inject it into the system. It has to be mixed with the existing gas. Because Georgia has a lot of agricultural and it has a lot of rural, you've got ways to use, whether it's hog waste, cow waste, human waste, landfill waste, all those things are generating gas, and without you taking it and capturing it, it's going into the atmosphere. Think how wonderful it could be that you could capture that, turn that into a fuel, and put it back into the system and burn it. Now that's where you get that negative effect. So not only are you using it to burn, you're taking it out of the air. So it's a huge benefit. It's not going to be the major part of our supply, but it is a component, and every percentage helps. Sustainability is about a lot of bullets, no one silver bullet.
At Gas South, we believe in partnerships. You guys are one of our largest partners. How do companies like Gas South and the broader marketing community, how do they support your business and really help the industry drive forward?
I've been most impressed with Gas South and our marketers and their willingness at this day and time to reach out to customers who are hurting. We focused a lot of dollars in the system. If you well know, the commission just had a rate proceeding. They added another $1 million of heating assistance that's out there. And Gas South, along with the other marketing partners, have reached out to customers because it's important for our customers to get help when they need help and move before things begin to collect on them and things begin to pile up as far as expenses go. That system has been a great support. So I think first and foremost at this point, we really work hard to help customers who need help. On the broader, what I call manufacturing and delivery system, marketers can put together a package that's specific to the customer. As a utility, we would never be able to do that. So as a marketer, you guys can put together just what UPS needs. And I would have to have a rate that sort of fits everybody. So a utility is a pretty much one size fits a few. A marketer can be, I will build this for you. What do you need? And that has been a big change in how our customers have been served by this deregulated model.
Bryan, can you expand a little bit on that $1 million investment that you guys are making?
Absolutely, PJ. In the last rate proceeding, the commissioners added $1 million into the process that specifically focused on low income and also senior citizens. There's dollars that will help people pay their bill, and marketers can refer them to the varying entities, and there's several entities, Heat being one of the main ones, HopeWorks is another one. But there's also other entities where we actually go in and replace older appliances and put in more efficient appliances. So it's not just helping someone pay their bill today, but it's helping lower their bill for tomorrow. It's a really, really great program.
So Bryan, my favorite question is, 5 years from now, what story do you want to be able to tell about Southern Company Gas?
That we have addressed sustainability issues as we are across the U.S., and that the natural gas prices are still super low, and we're a base foundational part for where the U.S.'s energy economy is going. That's what the story should be.
Thanks for joining Bryan, Batson, and me on Positive Energy. If you enjoyed this discussion, please check out Energy Forward, our recent virtual forum featuring today's top energy leaders, including Bryan. We discussed energy disruption, COVID-19's impact on utilities, and the need for resiliency, energy as an economic driver in the Southeast, and reimagining energy and a low-carbon future. Visit gassouth.com/energyforward to learn more. Thanks for joining us today, and stay safe out there.